Today we're going to learn the musical alphabet, sing a new song called Spotted Ladybug, and do a Ladybug Craft. Hello everyone, my name is Anne Richmond. I'm the author of this book, Charisma and the Berry Boat. Today at Charisma Readers Circle Time, it's music time. Song first. Hello everyone, come and join the fun. It's all circle time, let's have a great time. Hello everyone, come and join the fun. It's all circle time, let's have a great time. When we sing, we use solfege to name the notes, which is do, re, mi, and so on. To name the notes on an instrument and to write music, we use musical alphabet. The first 7 letters of alphabet are used in music to name different notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. 7 letters. Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When notes get higher and higher, these 7 notes are repeated again and again. So let's listen to the piano and say the notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then A comes back again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And A comes back again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now say the repeating notes with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very good. Now let's start on a different note. E. Let's start with E. So after E comes F, G. And after G we know A comes back again. So A, B, C, D, E again. Let's try that with the piano. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Very good. Now let's try a different note. C. C. After C, D, E, F, G. And we know after G, it's A. So A, B, C. Let's try that with the piano. Say it with me. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Good. And when the notes go lower, we can start on a note and go backwards. Let's try the musical alphabet backwards from G. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now you know the musical alphabet. Let's review what we know already. Quarter note, 1 beat. Half note, 2 beats. 1, 2. Whole note, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play this pattern on the note C. 1, 1, 1, 2. Let's sing one of the pitch waves. Let's do this one today. Adagio, means slow. Allegro means fast. And today we learned the musical alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's sing a song called Spotted a Spotted Ladybug. Spotted a spotted ladybug, red with black spots ladybug. Spotted a spotted ladybug, tiny rounded ladybug. Spotted a spotted ladybug, orange with black spots ladybug. Spotted a spotted ladybug, tiny rounded ladybug. Spotted a spotted ladybug, yellow with black spots ladybug. Spotted a spotted ladybug, tiny rounded ladybug. Now I'm going to show you how you can make a ladybug craft. I have a red sheet of paper and a black sheet of paper. I'm going to put it like that on top, and I'm going to trace this bowl over it. I'm going to put some binder clips so they don't move as I cut them. I'm going to cut the circle out. I'm going to fold this into half, cut it in half. Here I have a gray tissue paper. You can use white tissue paper if you don't have gray. Ladybugs have inner wings that are longer than the outer wings, so I'm going to draw that. And I'm going to fold it and cut it together so I get two of them. I'm going to trace this bowl for the head, and from here I'm going to make it short like that. So I'm going to use this part for the head. I'm going to cut that out. If you have googly eyes, you can use those for the eyes, but I'll show you how you can make eyes if you don't have googly eyes. So I'm going to take a small lid and trace that and fold it so I get two when I cut it out. Now I'm going to draw the eyeball. Color the eyeballs black. I'm going to put the roundest side down and glue the eyes over here at the top. Glue the other one and draw a mouth. Now I'm going to take a piece of black paper and fold it into half like that. And I'm going to make the ladybug spots. So I'm going to trace the lid here. So I have 3 circles here, and because I folded, I'm going to get 6 of them when I cut them together. Now I'm going to take the black circle and glue the wings like that. I'm going to put glue only over here at the bottom. Now I'm going to fold these right about here, just like that, and same thing. Now I'm going to flip it and put glue on the side, just at the bottom where we folded. Same thing, put glue over here, and take this, glue them like that. Now I'm going to glue the spots. Now I'm going to take the head and put glue at the back. And put it right there. Now I'm going to get a green sheet of paper and draw a big leaf. Draw the veins. Now I'm going to cut this out. Now I'm going to cut it wavy like this. Now I'm going to glue the ladybug over here. You can leave it as a craft like this. I'm going to put it on my craft book. Bend the leaf like that. There we have our ladybug craft. Next week is theme time. We'll be learning what is the life cycle and life cycle of a chicken, sing a new chick song, and do a chick craft. Until then, goodbye everyone. I'm glad we had some fun. It's end of our circle time. See you next time. Bye everyone.
New videos are posted every Monday on Charisma Reader's Circle Time. First Monday of the month is music time. Second Monday is theme time. Third Monday is music time again. And fourth is around the world time. Please subscribe to follow all of them in the right sequence. Kindly like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.